Wagyu cheeseburger you can make at home. This is the Wagyu ground beef. You can get it from the Costco. This whole 3 pounds of the ground beef, it cost me around $20. This one pack is 1 pound. We will take 2 packs today and we'll be making delicious burger. It's all from ready-made ingredient. Of the Wagyu steak ground beef, we will add this meat in the marinade bowl. Look at this meat. This is so juicy meat, my friend. I have tried this before multiple times and I love it. Here goes the second pack, the Wagyu ground beef. I have 2 pounds of Wagyu steak ground beef right here. Let's season this meat. This is the first thing. I'm using Woodfired garlic. It's a delicious seasoning. Take 2 tablespoons. You have to season your burger patties. This is smoked paprika. We will add 1 tablespoon. Onion powder. You can use onion flakes in there as well. So we'll take 2 tablespoons and we will add it right here. 1 tablespoon of regular kosher salt. Wagyu pan fried cheeseburger. You're gonna love it. All the seasoning is here. Just give it a mix of the meat. Grab an egg, whole egg, and add this right here. It will help in the binding and it will make the meat delicious too. Smoky flavored. So nothing fancy about it. Just give it a rough mix, at least for 5 minutes. Ooh. We have seasoned our ground beef. Look at the amount of the grease is in here. It's on the high flame. You can use any lid to make your life easy. First put some vegetable oil, just a layer. You can use butter in there if you want. You can use butter paper in there. I don't have it. I'm using butter spray. I'll grab the meat. I'll try to fit the meat in here. This will be our patty. Now take it out. This is what you will get. Just fix the edges more. Wonderful, right? This is how it's looking. And land it right here. Half pound of the ground beef here, half pound of the ground beef here. Normally when I put the meat like this, patty in oil, I don't move around, I don't do nothing, at least for a couple minutes. It's on the high flame. High flame means it's cooking at 350 degrees. So I have 4 beautiful patties, half pound of the patty. One burger will be 1 pound of the Wagyu cheeseburger. Couple minutes, let's just flip it. It's gonna be cooking in here at least for 4 more minutes. So in the meantime, let's prepare for our burger and the ingredients. These are the burger buns I'm using. Separate pan, I'm adding a little bit butter. You need the crust on the inside, just a light crust. Easy, better romaine leaf. Get it from the market and it's easy to go. Chipotle ranch, regular Mair. So we have another couple more minutes. Just the time frame if you want to know, it's 8 minutes. These are thick patties. Ready to go. So these are the bun bases. We'll take chipotle ranch, so romaine, and beautifully land it right here. We'll take American cheese. So here goes the cheese. Let's grab one patty, add it straight right here. A half pounder patty goes on top. We'll take onion, add it, some 3 tomatoes, mayo, and here you go. This is your one hell of a burger. It is thick in the center, so it stays at home. Like that. Add it right here. This is a fat guy. This is fatty. Goes right here. Take the onion, white onion. The trick is to use white onion for this. Use slices of tomato, mayo, and here you go. Look at the juices, it's coming out from here. This is what I'm talking about. Make this delicious Wagyu cheesesteak burger at home. One burger is 1 pound of the Wagyu steak meat. You'll be happy, you'll be amazed. Let it settle down, then we will do the taste test. Enjoy this recipe, guys. So this is the moment of truth, okay? Let me do the taste test. Okay, here it is. Wow, make this recipe. I cut the burger for the video, don't cut it. I'll see you on the next one.